Welcome to Senior Wellness and Health. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your wellness routine. If you have been having trouble sleeping lately, you are not alone. Many seniors experience changes in sleep patterns as they age, and it can become frustrating. But what if there was a simple, natural bedtime ritual that is not only delicious, but also deeply relaxing? Stick around until the end of this video to discover the calming secret known as moon milk, and learn why it has become a trusted nighttime drink for seniors who want to sleep like they did at 30. Let us begin by exploring what moon milk actually is. Imagine a warm, soothing cup of milk infused with powerful herbs and spices known for their calming and healing properties. Moon milk is based on ancient Ayurvedic principles and has been used for centuries in India as a natural remedy for sleep and stress. Today, it has found new popularity among health-conscious seniors in the West. The key ingredients in moon milk often include turmeric, cinnamon, nutmeg, ashwagandha, and sometimes adaptogens like reishi mushroom or holy basil. Many seniors are turning to moon milk because it feels like comfort in a cup. Unlike over-the-counter sleep aids, moon milk is non-habit forming. It creates a calming bedtime routine that signals the body and mind it is time to wind down. One of the most commonly used ingredients in moon milk is ashwagandha, a root known for reducing stress and helping regulate cortisol levels. When you add nutmeg, which contains a natural compound called myristicin, you enhance the sedative effect even further. Turmeric adds anti-inflammatory benefits, which can help with joint pain and inflammation, while cinnamon boosts circulation and regulates blood sugar. Together, these ingredients create a drink that soothes your entire system. Let me share a story to show how this works in real life. In a quiet retirement community in Oregon, a group of seniors began gathering for a nightly moon milk ritual. One of them, a retired school teacher, had struggled with sleep for over a decade. After just a week of this calming drink and a short wind-down routine before bed, she found herself sleeping through the night for the first time in years. Others in the group reported fewer aches, more vivid dreams, and a feeling of peacefulness they had not felt in a long time. You can easily make moon milk at home. Start with warm milk or a plant-based alternative like almond or oat milk. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and if you have it, a quarter teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Stir well, heat gently, and sip slowly about 30 minutes before bed. Some people like to sweeten it with a bit of honey, which can also promote relaxation. Make sure to test each ingredient with your body and check with your doctor, especially if you are taking medications. Now, you might be wondering why moon milk works so well for seniors in particular. As we age, our bodies produce less melatonin, the hormone that helps us fall asleep. We may also have more stress, anxiety, or discomfort that disrupts rest. Moon milk addresses these issues naturally. It is not just about the ingredients, but the ritual itself. Taking a moment each evening to prepare something soothing and warm helps signal the brain that it is time to rest. It becomes a habit that your body learns to respond to. Over time, this can create powerful changes in your sleep patterns. To summarize, moon milk is a natural sleep remedy that is gentle, effective, and easy to prepare. It combines ingredients like turmeric, nutmeg, cinnamon, and ashwagandha to help relax your body and mind. Seniors are turning to this ancient drink not only because it works, but because it brings a sense of peace and routine to bedtime. If you have been struggling with sleep, consider giving moon milk a try and see if it helps you sleep like you did at 30. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips for senior wellness and natural remedies, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share your experience if you try moon milk or if you already have a bedtime ritual that helps you sleep better. We would love to hear your story.